Welcome back to another video, everybody. Before we hop into this one, I just wanted to say real quick, we just hit 1,000 subscribers. I was going to thank you guys for 900 in this video, and somehow we blew through 900 and are already past 1,000. Like, I don't even know what to say besides thank you guys so much. Like, this is absolutely insane. Like, trust me when I say I have many awesome things planned very soon that I cannot wait to share with you guys, and just thank you guys so much. It's absolutely insane. Now, on to the video. So, I've been meaning to make this video probably for about 6 months now. I got this intake, the Injen short ram intake, about 4 to 6 months ago, we'll say, and I've been meaning to make a review on it ever since, and I just haven't gotten around to it. So today, I figured it's the perfect day to go ahead and review the Injen short ram intake. All right, everybody. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and start this video off by saying, honestly, for $250, which is about what this intake costs, I would just go ahead and get a different mod, such as the throttle controller or something like that. We actually just got done installing a throttle controller 2 videos ago. We reviewed it last video. It's a super awesome mod, and honestly, if you guys have not seen those videos, I would recommend checking them out. But yeah, for $250, you could get a throttle controller and a front splitter or something like that, and you'd be much better off than getting this intake right here. Now, as far as quality goes for this intake, it's a really high quality intake. It's powder coated gloss black. It looks really good. It looks just good sitting in the engine bay. And install was a breeze with this thing. This was my first ever intake I installed with the help of some friends, obviously, and it took us no more than 45 minutes. Like, it was really easy to install. But one downside about this intake is that it is a pain to clean. Now, I don't know if you guys can see down in there, but I damaged some of the metal like bristle things around the intake itself trying to pull it out of here last time. So to clean it, you got to take off these 3 screws, and the lid of this shield kind of comes off, and then you just got to slide it out. But it's a whole lot harder to get out of here than you would think it would be, and just be careful taking that out if you do get this intake, because you can damage it like I did. Now that I've basically told you guys everything there is to know about the Injen short ram intake, and like I said, this thing is it's a good quality intake, but it's not worth the $250. If you really want an intake, you'd be much better off getting the 3.8 performance true cold air intake. But now that I've told you guys everything there is to know about this thing, let's go ahead and give the car some revs so you guys can hear how it sounds in action. Alright guys, so I don't know if you could hear a difference on video of how it sounds, but in person you can definitely hear a bit more of like a whooshing sound, like a forced induction sound. It sounds pretty cool actually, but on video I would not be surprised if it just sounds the same as a normal Genesis Coupe revving up. But that is really going to wrap it up for this video, everybody. The main reason I wanted to make this video is just to let you guys know that for $250 you'd be much better off getting a throttle controller and a front splitter, or just spending an extra $100 and getting the 3.8 performance true cold air intake, because the Injen short ram intake and any other intake like this, really, for these cars, it's just not worth it, man. And I would definitely recommend spending your money somewhere else. There's 2 more things I wanted to say real quick. The first one being, I have a new mod coming in. It should actually be here tomorrow, and it's going to be an awesome one if I do say so myself. I'm really excited for this one, and I think you guys are going to like it a lot too. But what I was getting at is I don't know what to get next. I don't know if I should get a 3.8 performance true cold air intake, or if I should get a manifold riser. So you guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think I should get, and yeah, we'll just go from there. The last thing I wanted to say is, once again, thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. Like, this is absolutely mind-blowing. I cannot believe that we're already at 1,000 subscribers. Like, I don't even know what to say besides thank you guys. This is only the very beginning. Just make sure to stay tuned. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because like I said, I've got some awesome stuff planned, and just thank you guys so much. But like I said, that is going to wrap it up for this video, everybody. If you guys enjoyed this one, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.